are doing a class project on network topology. Can I ask a few questions regarding your company's network?
Hi, Will. I will try my best to assist you. What do you want to know about our company's network?
Thank you for helping out, sir. What type of network topology that your company currently using and why you do this type of network?
Currently, our company is using star topology to connect our device.
So your company is using star topology. Can you please explain more about this topology?
First of all, this is how a star topology will looks like. As for the nodes, it can be any device such as a computer, a printer, or a scanner. For the cable, for a star topology, usually we will use a coaxial cable, UTP cable, or if we need a faster connection, we will use a fiber cable, but it will cost more. For the central communication unit, as for a star topology, we usually use a hub or a switch, but these two devices have a different effect on how the data is being transmitted. For example, if A want to send data to B using a hub, it will broadcast data to all the devices connected to the hub. And B will take the data and the other device will discard the data. This is different from a switch because a switch will transfer the data using the MAC address of B. Since switch use a MAC address, it operates at layer 2, while hub operates at layer 1. Usually, we use a star topology in small office or small lab. Let's say if we have 5 PC and 1 scanner, and we will use a switch or a hub to connect all the devices together.
Thank you for all this explanation. May I know the advantage and disadvantage of this type of topology?
For the advantage and disadvantage of star topology, you can ask my workers.
Hi, I am Nuri. Can I ask your names?
Oh hi, I am Sarah and this is Alia.
Hi, Alia and Sarah. Can I ask about the advantage and disadvantage of star topology?
Hello, I will explain about the advantage of star topology. First of all, one node connection failure will not affect others. Let's say if this node breaks down, the other of connection is still work. The central hub will detect this problem immediately because it cannot transmit data to this node, so it is also easy to troubleshoot. Next, it is easy to install. If you want to add new device, you just take the internet cable and then plug in one to your switch or hub and the other one is your PC. So your connection is done. Okay, the next advantage is there is no distraction to the network when connecting or removing device. Okay, let's say if you want to remove this device, you just plug out without interfering the network. Lastly, the advantage of star topology is lower the risk of data leaks. Data transfer only have to pass through 3 nodes. Let's say, if A want to send data to B, it just have to pass through 3 nodes, which is A, central hub, and B. Let's compare to another topology. If A want to send data to B, it have to pass through more nodes. About the data leaks problem, the less number of nodes and information need to pass through, the chances of data leaks occurring is reduced. This makes star topology is the best choice to reduce the data leaks. I will now explain the disadvantage of this network based on what we have faced throughout the duration of this network. First of all, the worst thing about this network is the central communication malfunction. If the central communication, either the switch or hub malfunction, the whole network will fail. It is because the central communication responsible to transmit the data. Second disadvantage of this network is size of the network depends on the central communication unit.
The number of devices can be connected based on how many ports your central communication provides. If you need more ports, you need to daisy chain your network, or you need to modify your central communication by your own. Next disadvantage is requires more cable length compared to bus topology. This network requires a lot of wires because the connection is point-to-point instead of linear such as bus topology. This is related to the next drawback, which is more expensive than bus topology. Besides a switch or hub needed to be provided, you also need a lot of cable to connect your device. The last disadvantage of this network is probability of collision is high. If two transfers occur at the same time, collision will happen. For example, if A wants to transfer data to B and C wants to transfer data to D, collision will happen at the central hub. I think that's all about the drawbacks of this network.
Thank you for all this information. I will write all this information in my report.
You're welcome.